stay up all night on the phone. I'd watch you sleep so you were all alone. We'd laugh when you'd wake. Why does my heart break? You came into my world like an earthquake. I used to have your time, it was so divine. I used to be on your mind, you'd reach out all the time. But now I feel like I am being left behind. I'd rather be deaf than not hear your voice. I'd rather be blind than not see a beautiful face, and not have you running through my mind. Baby, come back, can you spare a little time for the one that stood by your side? By your side, by your side, by your side. When the laughter stopped, when the smiles faded, when the masks dropped, when you found out that under my cape I was only nucleated, I truly believed we were to be conflated. No more sky or dreams to be painted. Others have had years to mess up. It doesn't feel like they got judged so fast. Baby, this could definitely last. Don't throw away all the years we've known. We have a future not to be locked in the past. Baby, don't give up on us. Baby, don't give up on us. When the laughter stopped, when the smiles faded, when the masks dropped, when you found out that under my cape I was only nucleated, I truly believed we were to be conflated. No more sky or dreams to be painted. I open my heart and keep you locked inside. Only room for you. Baby, don't hide. The things you don't want to see or don't like can be changed. We can rewire our minds. We can enjoy and be happy the rest of our lifetime. Include me. I can be a good addition to your family. I can help to give time to see. Please don't exclude me. Don't exclude me. Don't exclude me. No more dreams to be painted.